Hello and welcome. Today I'm reviewing another nail kit. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm on a mission to find a system that I can do at home that's somewhat cost effective, that goes on like gel nails and lasts similarly to in-salon gel nails without the health risks to our nail beds and our hands. I'm going to be reviewing the Manicure Paris Green Flash range. They're a French company that claims to be the first company that has come up with a polish that goes on like gel, comes off like polish, and cures with an LED light as opposed to a UV lamp. Manicurist claims their polish lasts up to 10 days, which would be fabulous. They're a clean and green company. They're cruelty-free. They're vegan. They're plant-based products and 84% natural ingredients. I want to show you a quick demo of my first trial using the system. I made a little mistake and I used acetone-based polish to clean my nails. My nails chipped within 24 hours. On my second attempt, I followed the directions more carefully. I cleaned my nails with the polish that they provided, which is acetone free, and cured the polish as directed. On my first attempt, this took about 30 minutes, but then I got the system down to about 17 minutes with 2 extra minutes for dry time at the end, so a total of 20 minutes. I highly recommend the Green Flash Super Starter Kit. Number one, it comes with a 36-watt lamp versus the travel set that only comes with a 24-watt lamp. That means that your drying time is much less. You also get to choose 5 colors out of the over 60 that are available. It comes with the top coat, the base coat, these little clips that you can use to take off the polish, nail polish remover. It comes with everything you need to do your manicure, including instructions. So the first thing I did was remove my old polish. Remember, the first time I did this, I made the mistake of using my own personal acetone nail polish remover, and the nails didn't last. So make sure to use the nail polish remover that comes with the kit. I saturated little pieces of cotton with the remover, put the clips on, waited about 60 seconds, and the nail polish was ready to remove. The hardest part was actually just getting the clips on. Once I removed my old polish and washed my hands, I was ready to start my next manicure. The directions say to apply one very thin base coat and cure it under the lamp for 60 seconds. The second step is to apply your color coat. You apply this in 2 layers. You do one thin layer, cure it for 60 seconds, then you do a second thin layer and cure that for 60 seconds. The last step is to apply a very thin layer of the top coat and cure that for 2 minutes. What I love about the Green Flash system, in addition to being good for your nails, very low odor to no odor, it takes very little time after you're finished doing all the steps for it to dry down. There's no prolonged drying down time. It was a little tacky right after I finished, but I waited 2 minutes and then was able to move along with the rest of my activity. I had no dents in it, it dried down beautifully and lasted. Well, here's how my nails are looking after 10 days. You can see some chipping on the ends, and I actually broke 2 nails over the last 10 days. I have been very busy. I took 2 trips. I had grandma duty and a lot of hand washing. I also did a bit of gardening. I got all our tomato plants in their pots and out on the patio. So I probably put my hands through more than I would in a typical week and a half. So I'm actually quite pleased with the outcome. If I can get 2 or 3 days out of my nail polish, I'm lucky. So anything beyond 2 or 3 days that looks decent, I'm happy. I also wanted to say that this nail system dries a little bit faster than the Dazzle Dry system. And I'll leave a card up here on my experience using Dazzle Dry. Both lasted around 7 to 10 days. I think I got maybe a couple more days out of the Manicurist set than I did out of the Dazzle Dry system, but I would recommend both. They're actually both having sales right now, and I'll link all that information and the product information down below. Their cost for each kit is about the same. If you do Dazzle Dry, you kind of have to add in products to make your own kit because their kit is a little smaller. You have to add the remover, and you also have to add a couple more nail polishes, whereas the Manicurist set all comes in one bundle. I would highly recommend both of these systems. Like I said, I think I got a few more days out of the Manicurist set, the Green Flash system. but it's super easy to take off. I must say, I did have trouble getting the Dazzle Dry off without some acetone, which for me is a negative because the acetone just dries my nails out terribly. Of course, it would anybody's nails, but particularly mine since mine are quite fragile. So I slightly prefer the Manicure set, the Green Flash system. Both systems are very eco-friendly, very healthy for your hands. So if you're interested in looking into an at-home system that you can do that's fairly easy, that lasts longer than the average nail polish, I highly recommend both these systems. If you have a nail system that you love and you swear by, please leave me a comment down below. I'm still investigating all the systems that are out there that are healthier than the in-salon gel systems, which I've completely given up on. So thanks very much for watching and wishing you all a nail-tastic day.